video. Hello and welcome everyone in this video. In this video, we will be talking primarily about the cloud technology, the role of cloud, how cloud is growing up, catching up in the market as a technology and as an enabler for organization to embark upon a digital transformation journey. So starting from the cloud, we already know cloud is a technology that basically provides you the flexibility to run or host your servers or related underlying infrastructure on third party. So we have a service provider like Microsoft Azure, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, IBM Cloud. So these are some of the key vendors who are working very intensively in this area and are enabling or providing the kind of infrastructure that is required, so the business organization not need to worry about what basically a service provider's role. They do not have to get into the IT or the technical side of how things are running and emphasize more on the business that they are leveraging. So why this technology is so important, given the role of internet in today's world. Everyone is consuming data, everyone is consuming internet services everywhere. The mobile application era is on the peak now, so everyone needs internet and everyone needs these kind of services at the tip of the fingers. And to enable that, to provide the most relevant, most efficient services, these service providers have come up with this proposition, which basically provides both customer as well as these vendors the flexibility to do their business, to have those services very, very flexibly, very seamlessly, that they can consume. So cloud has always been like this way. The architecture that was primarily being evolved over a period of time, which was initially being introduced by AWS. AWS was the company who initially initiated and brought forward this concept with the amount of massive amount of data that they were handling during the time when Amazon started, and they were getting huge amount of orders, and which basically provides them the capability of how they can leverage artificial intelligence and other related technologies to understand efficiently their customer data and accordingly recommend them the services that will help gain or increase their business share or the market share. So that is the primarily that is their strategy. But once they have taking those huge data center spaces, those huge server that they were hosting to do their services, Jeff Bezos come up with the idea that these services can actually be leveraged by other other small businesses who are running their own IT infrastructure and incurring a huge cost. So why not give them as a service model where they can actually use those services without have to take the burden of dealing and have dedicated IT workforce to handle those operations. So that is how this whole idea has evolved. Now cloud has a lot of different technology pieces that are involved into it. We can talk about these things in details, but for this video particularly, I just wanted to introduce you what cloud is, how it has evolved, what are the companies that have introduced this concept. So I hope that this is a knowledgeable video. You've learned something, and if you liked it, please like and comment and share this video so that we can produce much more content on these lines. Thank you.